In this video, I will be showing you how to create a laptop backup. Now, the first thing to do here is to get an external hard drive. When your laptop or desktop computer is out of storage space, or you urgently need to back up your files, an external hard drive can save your life. This inexpensive, user-friendly device provides a considerable quantity of storage. Now, once you have your external hard drive connected to your computer or desktop, then create a new folder so that it would be easy for you to locate your files from your laptop or PC. Then, okay, you can name or rename that file later. But first, you need to create a file. For example, this one here. Okay, create new folder and then type files. After that, you have to drag all the files from your desktop or your PC to this folder on your external hard drive. For example, I'm going to copy these files. So all I have to do is to drag these files here and then wait for a few seconds as it is transferring or copying the items. And then once done, then you don't need to worry about deleting the files on your desktop or PC because you have your backup already using your external hard drive. Now, the second thing is go to your desktop or computer's settings, go to update and security, and then here you can see backup. You have to click that one. And then once you're here, all you have to do is to add a drive. So you have to click the plus icon here, and as you can see, it is searching. And then once your external hard drive name appear, all you have to do is to click that and then automatically back up my files. Click on. Now here, you have options on how to back up your file. You want every 10 minutes, every 1 hour, 2 hours, or you want it daily. So it's up to you, but I choose daily. So for keep my backups, you can choose 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, or forever. Everything is up to you. Now these are the folders that you can have backups. Now here, you can exclude these folders. You can type that also. And then once you're done with this, you can go back to your backup settings and make sure that it's automatically on. Now, after doing these two methods, your external hard drive and this one on your PC, I'm in the backup setting. The last thing to do is to go to your Google web browser and kind of type this TrueNAS. This one is a very big help just in case you don't have your external hard drive and you have some problems with your backup files on your computer. All you have to do is to create an account on TrueNAS and then you can store files, data, everything here and just log in this to other system or device. Then you can recover your files again. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.